Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the M-Bus Transport Services app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. M-Bus is a transport services app designed to help commuters access accurate bus schedules, route information, and service updates. The app provides stopwise timings, estimated arrival times, and details for various metro bus routes. It aims to make daily travel easier by giving users a clear view of when their next bus will arrive and whether any delays or changes are expected. It's available on mobile devices and is commonly used by frequent bus passengers. The app's main feature is its live schedule interface. Users can select their route, check upcoming departures, and track timing updates throughout the day. It also provides stop locations, route maps, and notifications for schedule changes, helping commuters plan their trips more efficiently. For people who rely heavily on public transport, it acts as a quick information hub that keeps them updated. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simple design, easy navigation, and reliable schedule listings. The ability to check bus timings instantly saves time and reduces uncertainty during daily commutes. Users also find the alerts useful for avoiding delays and planning alternative routes when needed. However, there are some drawbacks. In some regions, real-time tracking may not always update accurately, and certain routes might show incomplete data. The app also depends on a stable internet connection for the latest updates, which can affect accuracy in low network areas. Additionally, not all cities support full real-time features, leading to inconsistent experience. In summary, the M-Bus app may be worth using if you want quick access to daily bus schedules, reliable route information, and helpful alerts for your commute. However, if you need consistently accurate real-time GPS tracking or live updates in areas with limited network support, the app might feel limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.